Hey y'all, what's happening? Your girl is all natural today, just cooling it. I checked into the Legend Boutique Hotel in Da Nang, Vietnam for one night because my apartment will be ready tomorrow. And I thought, let me check out this hotel and show y'all what they got going on. I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler on this channel. I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. You put the card into the keypad for the electricity, and this is, you come in, this is the room. This is gonna be a quick tour of the room, but no window, and that's okay. I'm here for the night. I'm just here for the night, so I don't have a window, but let's check it out. Here's the bed. The bed feels soft. Let's see, you okay? The bed feels soft. Looks clean. All right, and you got a TV, complimentary water, coffee, tea. You have a book. I guess they have a restaurant. Yeah, they do. Or instructions. They do have a pool. They have a gym. They have breakfast. My room includes breakfast. Okay. There you go. And then around here, they give you, there is your mirror. You have a safe. You have robes. They always have robes. I never wear their robes, but there's the towel. You gotta bring your own, there's more towels in here, but you gotta bring your own washcloths if you're from America, because they don't give them. And this is the room. This serves a purpose. No carpet, which I love, for one night. You can sit here, do your work. Got a refrigerator, okay. This is my one bag that I live out of. That's my life and my backpack. And yeah, so you got side tables. They have enough outlets. Check out the ring light. I need that. Okay, look at the art on the wall. Let's check out. And this is, let me give you a full view. You got some storage up top there. Yeah, this is perfect for me for the night. No window, but I'm cool with that. It doesn't bother me. Here we go. And there's the Facebook. Oh, this is cute. Oh, there's the light. The light is not bright, but it's the bathroom, so meditation. There's the shower here, but the light is bright in the room with these ring lights. That makes it brighter, which is nice because Asian rooms tend to be dim, very dim. All right, and the pillows look fluffy. Yes, it looks clean. All right, y'all, just wanted to show you. We'll check out the other part of the hotel, the building, and the outside. Okay. The room looks small, but the way it's designed makes it spacious. There's no carpet, so that opens up the floor, and I love that. It looks like a cozy room. There is no window, which is fine with me. I'm only here for one night. The bed, oh my goodness, the bed I feel some plush on the bed, which makes all the difference because, honey, I've been in one hotel in Vietnam. That bed was like a board, and some of them beds around Asia feel like a brick, like you're sleeping on a brick, especially in Thailand. Them beds can be hard, but this has some plush to it, baby. And the pillows and the linens look fresh. Y'all know I'm about that freshness. We're going to check out the rest of the hotel and see what it's about. All right, y'all.
If you enjoy my videos and have gained value, please contribute to Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for your support.
Okay, they do have a pool on the 11th floor. This is the pool. Oh, it's a small pool, but it's a pool. Very nice. I love the view. Look at this gorgeous view of Da Nang. I am going to show you around the district. This is the Suntra district. This is the hotel, so if you got mobility issues, they got steps right here. But this is Suntra, so let's take a look around. A walk around. We came on the side of the hotel. And we're gonna walk down this way. And it's just restaurants and shops along the strip here. I just can't get over these wide sidewalks. Lumber. Ooh, look at this, local food. Y'all, I decided to stop by here since I was walking by and it's humid. I am going to get a passion fruit smoothie. Okay, y'all, I got my smoothie. This is big. It is refreshing. Passion fruit smoothie. Vietnam humidity, it'll get you, but cool me off. I love me some moon cha. Hanoi has the best moon cha. All right, so this is the same strip as the hotel, and you can get to the beach from here. A straight shot. Once you walk, you can turn down this street or walk to the end, turn down this street and hit the beach. And there are restaurants everywhere. Everywhere there are restaurants. I love bami. This is the second shop I've seen like that. Along this part here you have the restaurants, really nice restaurants on the beach, lovely. And then we're gonna walk down here so that you can at least see it. You can see the people walking from the beach. But I am going to show you the beautiful water. Now Vietnam got some trash. They got some trash now. I don't know what their policy is on trash collection, but I see them picking up trash and there are bags in the alleys. The alleys are normally always clean, always. But the other streets, oh no. Maybe I'll cross here so I can show you all the beach. I had to put my phone away because I had to make it across the street through this traffic. I was a G. I did it just like it was supposed to be, where you gotta sometimes stop and let the motorcycle come around and just take your time. Do not run. If you run the risk of being hit. They're trying to go around you, so you got to be careful and make sure you just follow the rules. All right, let me let her go. You see all these? This is all the motorbikes. Oh, the motorbikes. Bumbao, bumbao, hey. You will hear that throughout all of Vietnam. All right, here we are. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at all the people out. That's because today is the finale for the fireworks and people are out, honey. Thank you. I wanted to show you all the hotel, the area around the hotel, take you on a little walking tour. So it's in a nice neighborhood, convenient to the beach, within walking distance. You have restaurants and shops around. And my reservation includes breakfast in the morning. So I'll show you breakfast and let you know how I slept. Stay tuned. Y'all, that is pretty.
Checking in for the evening. I just had a nice hot shower. The water pressure was excellent. I love me a hot shower. The bed feels cozy. The sheets are white and crisp. And I got 4 fluffy pillows. Normally they give me 2 pillows in places, but we're going to see how I sleep, and I'll check in at breakfast in the morning. All right. Whew, that was a good night's sleep. The most comfortable bed I have slept in Southeast Asia, and I'm not lying. I have slept on some boards. That bed was very comfortable. It's easy to just oversleep because I don't have a window, so it was really dark in here, but very comfortable, plush, and soundproof. Well, there was a baby crying. I mean, the baby was hollering. So I don't know if the baby was on the side of me, upstairs, down the hall, but I heard the baby crying. The baby was hollering. And then I heard the dad trying to calm the baby down. But anyway, once the baby stopped, it was fine. What can you do about a screaming baby? I thought you could control the thermostat. It was at 25 Celsius. I turned it to 27. I noticed about 20 minutes later, I started to get colder, and I looked, it went down to 25. So it may be just set at 25 Celsius. I turned it off for the night and I slept well. Let's go check out breakfast, which was included in my reservation. for this hotel ranges from $30 to $36 per night if there are no special events happening in the city. I book all my hotel reservations through Agoda because they offer the best rates and cancellation policy. I've been using them the past 2 years. I became an affiliate. That's how much I trust them. My Agoda link is in the description box below. Checkout is at 12. It's time for me to wrap this up. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell for notification of new videos and check out my Vietnam playlist. We're going to close out on the beach. Until next time, peace.
The hotel staff is so nice. They came out here and checked on me because I've been waiting about 15 minutes. Grab is taking longer than usual. It's in high demand. Normally takes less than 5 minutes for me to order a Grab. Oh, there it is now. But they are so nice. They came out here twice to check on me, the security and the hotel reception lady. Very nice.